This series of videos provides an overview of the different mount options and the preliminary installation steps. This video overviews the pendant mount option. A generic camera is depicted to show the installation steps. Installation may differ from camera to camera. We recommend reviewing the specific installation guide for the camera being installed. The pendant mount is a versatile option for mounting the camera to a pole or an arm mount. The pendant mount is a good option for installing the camera in places where a surface or in-ceiling mount is impossible. Ensure the correct camera package is ordered for cameras with the pendant mount option. A camera package, an NPT adapter package, and an optional pendant wall mount package may be required. The camera package usually includes the camera, the pendant mounting adapter, a pendant mounting bezel, and screws for the pendant mounting adapter. A 1.5-inch NPT to 3/4-inch NPT adapter, a 3/4 NPT nut, a tube of anti-seize lubricant, and a wall mount gasket may also be included in the package if installed onto a pipe. An NPT adapter is usually required for this particular mount option. The NPT adapter may vary from camera to camera. Ensure the NPT adapter package contains the NPT adapter for the desired camera, a T20 pin-in star-shaped driver, a lock nut, and Teflon sealing tape. The optional pendant wall mounting package may include the pendant wall mount, a 1/2-inch NPT to 3/4-inch NPT adapter, a 3/4-inch NPT nut, a tube of anti-seize lubricant, and a wall mount gasket. A Phillips screwdriver, a small slotted screwdriver, a drill with the appropriate drill bits, a wire cutter, and silicone sealant may be required. These tools are not included in the package. For more information on this topic, consult the appropriate installation guide or training video. Let's overview the installation steps of a pendant mount adapter using the 8.6 SL Dome camera. The surface mount adapter provided with the camera package can be discarded for this installation. This installation requires an NPT female to NPT female pipe adapter. It's recommended that the NPT adapter be mounted to a conduit pipe. First, pull the required cables through the NPT conduit pipe. Apply thread seal tape to the pipe and screw on the NPT female to NPT female pipe adapter. Then, screw the lock nut onto the NPT adapter. Next, apply thread seal tape to the NPT adapter and screw it into the pipe adapter. Ensure the parts are assembled in the order shown here. That completes the steps to mount the NPT adapter to the conduit pipe. For specific information on the camera, consult the appropriate training video or installation guide to complete the camera installation. The next segment will overview the steps to install the NPT adapter to a pendant wall mount. First, determine where the cables will enter the pendant wall mount. For this installation, the cables will be coming out of an external conduit pipe and will use the NPT pipe entry hole on the bottom of the pendant wall mount. Using the mounting template, drill 4 mounting holes into the mounting surface. If using the rear cable entry hole, use the drill to create a hole here. Next, place the bracket on the mounting surface. Pull the cables through the bracket. Insert the pendant wall mount over the bracket mounting tabs. Then, pull the cables through the arm. If using the pipe entry hole, pull the required cables through the preferred cable entry hole. Then, pull the cables through the pipe conduit and the wall mount. Next, apply thread seal tape to the pipe conduit and screw it into the pipe entry hole. Tighten the wall mount screws with 4 fasteners to secure the mount to the mounting surface. Screw the NPT adapter into the pendant wall mount and tighten. Use a hex Allen wrench to tighten the set screw highlighted here. That completes the installation steps of the NPT to a wall pendant mount. For specific information on the camera, consult the appropriate training video or installation guide to complete the camera installation. More mount options are overviewed in this series of videos.